Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to practice meditation. What is meditation? Meditation means to focus your mind on something. It means to clear your mind, to calm it down, and to clean out all bad thoughts. When you practice meditation, you try to focus on something with all your attention, not letting your mind wander or get mixed up in bad thoughts or feelings. Why practice meditation? First, meditation makes you happy. When your mind is focused and clear, you will forget about all your problems and just be yourself. You'll stop thinking about the past, stop thinking about the future, and be happy with what you have here and now. Second, meditation can teach you many things. Some people who practice meditation learn how to leave their bodies and fly through the air. Some are able to read other people's minds, and some can see things far, far away that no one else can see. But most important of all, meditation teaches you about yourself and the people around you. It teaches you how your mind works, so you don't get confused or mixed up about anything in your life. Third, meditation makes your mind sharp and clear, so you can live your life better. When your mind is clear, you're ready for anything. You'll know how to talk to your friends, family, and even people you meet for the first time without feeling shy or embarrassed. You'll be able to study and remember things much better, and work hard helping your family, friends, and yourself in whatever work you have to do. Finally, meditation makes you a better person. When your mind is clear, you won't get angry about something you don't like, because you'll understand that's just the way it is. You won't get greedy about things you like, because you'll be happy with what you have. And you won't be confused or attached to anything, because you'll understand everything about yourself and the whole world around you. Sound good? Okay, let's start. First, we need something to focus on. It should be something simple, something easy for you to think of. For now, we'll start with a cat. All you have to do is look at the cat and say to yourself, "Cat." That's it. Just say to yourself again and again, "Cat, cat, cat." You don't even have to say it out loud. Just say it in your mind while you look at the cat. Try it now. Got it? Okay, now close your eyes and think about a cat. And say to yourself, "Cat," just like before. Only this time see the cat in your mind. Cat, cat, cat. Go ahead, close your eyes and try it now. Done? Okay, let's try a dog next. Look at the dog and say to yourself, "Dog, dog, dog." Say it slowly, don't rush. Now close your eyes and try to see the dog in your mind. Say dog, 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 and think of a dog. If you can't see it in your mind, just open your eyes and look again. Peeking is allowed. Okay, now let's try our family members. Think of your mother or someone you love very much, like your mother. If they are there with you, you can look at them and say to yourself, Mother, or whatever name you call them. Mother, 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 again and again. Once you can do it without looking, close your eyes, think of them, and say Mother, Mother, Mother. Or whatever name you call them, just repeat that, thinking of them at the same time. Next, think of your father, or someone you love like a father. Same thing, if they are there, or if you have a picture of them, just look and say Father, or Dad, or whatever name you have for them, until you can do it without looking. Father, Father, Father. Then close your eyes and do the same thing. Father, Father, Father. Okay, now let's try something a bit different. Now let's focus on ourselves. To start, you can look at yourself. Look at your legs, your arms, your body, and say to yourself, Me, 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 me. Just repeat it to yourself while looking at your body. Then close your eyes and do the same thing. Think of how you are sitting and say to yourself, Me, me, me. Once you get the hang of it, you can just think to yourself, sitting. Sitting, 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 thinking about yourself sitting still. If you want, you can try it lying down and say to yourself, lying, lying, lying. Or if you want, you can walk back and forth, saying walking, walking, walking. All of these are ways to practice meditation. Another good object of meditation is the breath. Try this. Sit comfortably, or even lie down, and put your hands on your stomach. You should feel your stomach rising and falling when your breath comes in and goes out. When your stomach rises, just say to yourself, rising, and when it falls, say falling, rising, falling, rising, falling. Again, you don't have to say it out loud. Just put your mind on your stomach and think to yourself, rising, falling, as it happens. The truth is, you can meditate on just about anything. If you feel happy or sad, you can say to yourself, happy, happy, or sad, sad, and you won't get upset or stressed out about bad feelings. If you're thinking about something, you can just say thinking, thinking, and you won't be afraid of bad thoughts anymore. If you want something, you can say wanting, wanting, and you won't be sad if you don't get it. If you feel angry, you can just say angry, angry, and you won't need to yell or scream or hurt yourself or other people. If you can't find anything to meditate on, just go back and look at the stomach, rising and falling, and say to yourself, rising, falling, like before. Or pick something like a cat or a dog or someone you love and focus on them instead. Go ahead, pick one object and let's practice together. By now you should feel like your mind is more focused than before. In the beginning it might be difficult because you're learning something new. But if you practice it again and again, you will find your mind calming down and clearing up, and you will begin to feel peaceful, happy, and free from suffering more than ever before.